客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka。
现在就让我们加入客家风情，一起发现客家之美。
老公年年财产业装天地表房，出地传统戏曲有几项年呢？台湾客家文化馆第4年之前，透过音乐典藏、送上演出客家传统艺术表演活动，结合客家表演、老论坛戏，邀請大家腳下來觀賞傳統文化。
The Taiwan Hakka Culture Development Center is hosting several performances of local operas over the next few months, combining Hakka and traditional 8-tone operas, welcoming all to experience traditional culture. The performances will also feature acting and martial arts, with Beiguan music with performers from Miaoli. The Taiwan Hakka Culture Development Center invites the public to join in the fun and enjoy free performances. 2 performances are currently showing in the mornings and afternoons of October 19th and November 9th. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy Hakka traditional performing arts.
Yo, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。我聽 Leo 一開始好像帶我們去採茶，對不對？但是又有什麼傳統藝術表演啊？看戲哦，要去看戲哦，不是要喝茶嗎？
喝茶是另外喝啊。
那句話是什麼意思？
那句話就是採茶業莊天地表房的意思哦，就是採茶戲進入這個村莊之後呢，大家都會放下手邊工作，要等着看戲了，
放荒了。
對，放比較荒了，
不用管工作了。看戏比较重要，
没错，
而且客家的传统戏真的好看所以这个月有什么样的表演要来登场了吗？
天团就會順應我嘅百官百演嘅演奏，個天團就會論壇戲
這我多多少少知道，就是什麼北管八音嘛，對不對？然後後面什麼亂彈嗎？要亂七八糟的彈嗎？
不是，這亂彈戲它是在2014年文化部公告亂彈戲是無形的文化資產變成一張當傳統當重要嘅傳統藝術。
了解 ，OK。所以呢，到底是什麼時候要登場，在哪裡呢？
就係第一個台灣客家文化館第一個4月19還有4月初9的時間早上一場，下晝一場，早上一場，下午一場每天2場讓大家好好的來看戲。
太好了，這2天好像都是禮拜天所以很方便大家來去觀賞咯。Okay, well, let's review some of the phrases that we might have brought up here, including tea picking, 也就是採茶 and a traditional music called 北管 and finally the 8-tone opera, 就是八音 and there you have it, learning more about traditional Hakka music on We Love Hakka. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.